Today we're going to learn about how to make a Google Doc and some of the things that you can do with Google Docs. First thing you need to do is you need to come up to your apps here, and you can either go to Docs, and at this point it will show all your docs, and you can do a blank one. That's one way. The other way you can make a doc is to go to your apps, go into your drive. Your drive will list all of yours and what you have. There's a quick access with things that you've just done. You click on New, Docs, and you can start a new doc that way also. So one of the things you can do is you can give your doc a title. So if I want to call it sneezing. It's very similar to Word as far as all of the tools and stuff that you can use. If you click on this right here, if you click on the title, whatever your first word is, it will show as the title, or you can change, it's blue here, you can change what the title is. The nice thing, difference between Word and Docs is that Docs is in your Google Drive, so this automatically saves. You can share this with whoever you'd like, so you can write on here and you can put the people's name in here, and then it will automatically share the document with them. So you can be working with somebody in the room next door on lesson plans, anyone that has internet. So across the country you can be working on the same document. You can also get a shareable link, and then while you do that, then you can send the link, you can put the link into your Google Classroom, and there's some things when you're sharing with others and getting a shareable link. Mine is set up so that only the people in my school district can view. You can have it, anyone that has the link can edit, anyone with the link can comment, can view. So, and then there's more, which is specific people, and you can actually take it so that it's public on the web. Anyone can use it. Anyone that has a link can use it. So then when you get the link, you can share it. Some of the benefits of Can Edit is that it's a document that's owned by several people. So if you have a student that opens up a document and he's in a group, he shares it with the members of his group, and then all of those students can contribute. This is the same for slides, for sites, and for a lot of the other applications that you can use in Google Docs. Makes it more beneficial when you're doing collaborative work. And also anywhere that you have internet and you're on a computer, you can get to your file. It stores it in the cloud instead of on your computer, so it's helpful if you're not by your computer all the time. Some of the other things that you can do, which was really nice with students, is you can make comments. So when you're doing the sharing permissions, if you open up a document, you put it in Google Classroom, you share, you make it so that each student gets a copy, then you have ownership over that, and so you can do several things. You can edit their document, you can make comments, or you can just view. So if you go up here to the comment button, just type a little bit in here. You can highlight what you want to comment on, and then you can write something like spelling, and then you comment. Now, if you're doing this for a student on their document, your name will show up here and the time that you made the comment and what it is. And then that way the student can look. It's highlighted. When they click on it, it will open up this one. If you have multiple comments, it'll show them which comment goes to what. They can fix the problem, and then they can resolve. The other thing is that if sometimes you get students and they decide that they're going to resolve all the comments without doing anything about it because they don't like the comments on there, you can go back up here. You can see all the comments and you can actually reopen the comment if it's something that you want to keep there. And I have had students this year that I have actually written, please do not resolve comments until you have fixed. It's very frustrating for me to spend time helping, but this is something that's really nice because in Google Classroom I have all of their documents. I can click on the students that I feel like need help. I can read them at home and make comments this way for them. There's even a way that you can click on and you can actually voice type comments, that if that is faster for you, and that's very helpful. So there's a couple other things you can do. You can actually edit on the document. That would be just like typing in. You can also suggest things. For example, if we wanted to, if we think the word did would be better, we could put did, and this is saying replace have with did. And if you are, if the student thinks that that's a good suggestion, they can accept it. Unfortunately, I highlighted you also. And then it says add Y. I think that's good. So if you're suggesting and you have that in there, that helps with that. So they're just a few things that you can do. It's a really great way for students to collaborate together on a document. It's a really good way for you to be able to help students revise and offer suggestions. And so these are some things that you can do with Google Docs.